Welcome to one of northern Minnesota's most remarkable private country estates. Set on 40 beautiful acres near Wawina, today's property is unlike anything else you'll find on the market. With custom craftsmanship, equestrian facilities, incredible outbuildings, and a setting surrounded by nature, this is the kind of estate that rarely becomes available. featuring a private ensuite bathroom and a peaceful office, library, or hobby room where panoramic views overlook the buildings, pond, and surrounding acreage. A unique spiral staircase provides direct access to the owner's suite, adding even more charm to this custom-built home. Designed for both everyday living and entertaining, the home connects by a covered walkway to a detached 2-car garage with a finished game room that's perfect for gatherings, hobbies, or additional recreational space. Outside, the property continues to impress, with a newer Morton building offering concrete floors, a storage loft, and a finished hobby room, providing outstanding space for equipment, projects, or workshop needs. Horse lovers will immediately appreciate the well-equipped barn featuring 4 turnout stalls, a dedicated feed room, tack room, and an outdoor riding arena nearby. The scenic acreage also includes a peaceful pond that attracts abundant wildlife and waterfowl, while the open fields were once enjoyed as a private personal golf course. Whether your passion is horseback riding, hobby farming, outdoor recreation, or simply enjoying complete privacy, this property offers endless opportunities to create the lifestyle you've always wanted. Whether you're searching for a full-time residence, a private equestrian estate, or an unforgettable recreational retreat, this exceptional Wawina property delivers a rare combination of craftsmanship, versatility, and natural beauty. With 40 private acres, outstanding outbuildings, and one of the most peaceful settings you'll find anywhere in northern Minnesota, this is far more than a home. It's a lifestyle that's becoming increasingly difficult to find.